see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
I feel like I'm giving like Peggy Bundy vibes. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Am I slaying and giving the girls all that needs to be given? Today's going to be a beginner friendly install. I've also been vlogging, so stay tuned for the vlog this Sunday. I'm going to try to start in vlogging and give you guys an upload every Sunday, whether it is a long vlog or a vlog where I've done just something fun for the day and vlogged it and, you know, edit at the end of the day. I want to start by giving you guys content and more so focusing on just getting more comfortable back from that realm. It's very hard to get back comfortable with vlogging. I know it sounds weird because I'm here with you guys all throughout the week on a weekly basis, but vlogging is so much more personal. And I don't know, I just love my personal space and like my privacy. So I'm trying to get back into it and just finding my niche and my way back into that realm without having to fit into the aesthetic of this or the, you know, soft girl or the whoever. Anyways, today is going to be a beginner friendly install and we are going to be featuring a company by the name of Alipearl. Now if you are no stranger to YouTube or even to my channel, then you guys already know about Alipearl. They have some bomb hair. I've been working with them here and there over the years, so you can definitely check my channel and just search Alipearl on my main like homepage and you'll be able to find all the videos I've done with this company. Today we're going with this beautiful wavy texture. Woo. And I am going to be doing a half up, half down, no baby hair look, simple and sleek. The beauty is that you guys see how customized the hairline looks. They did this themselves, so all I had to do is literally bond it down. This is literally going to be like a 10-minute install, so you'll need minimal product, minimal effort, and definitely you'll be able to follow along even if you are not as experienced. So if you're interested in seeing this look and following along, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It will help me out so much as we are on the road to 300K on this channel. Now let's jump right into it.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Okay, love bugs, jumping right into the video. This is what the wig looks like on. It's definitely a snug fit and a beautiful, gorgeous color and texture. This one is a 16-inch 13x4 HD lace front wig in the color 4, which pretty much is a rich brown color. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. You can free part it, and as you can also see, the knots are bleached and it is pre-plucked. We're going to jump right into the install. One of my favorite things to do to start, if I don't have to prep the wig, is to just make sure that the wig fits from ear to ear by cutting around my ear so that the wig literally will cuff my ear and essentially fit like a glove. From here, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. As you guys can see, the lace is so seamless, again, because it is pre-plucked, which makes for a perfect install. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down via a glueless install. For me, this is a Eben adhesive. You can find it in the description box, as well as everything we use to complete this look. From here, I blow dry on a cool setting until it's completely dry, and then I also will bond down the sides. For this one, I did opt for no baby hair, but just showing you if you pull the hair forward, how beautiful and flawless, even with baby hair, it's gonna look. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to bond the wig down. Again, blow drying on a cool setting. This is gonna give a flawless finish. And now we're going to do a no baby hair, no parting look. I'm going to use my wax stick from bedeck to go ahead and seal the deal. Paired with my electric hot comb, we're going to work on this and you'll see what it looks like straight down.
Trying to move on, hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, 'cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think think I would go back. Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past.
Found myself inside all this tension.
Next up, let's tint the lace. I'm going to use a foundation powder. This one is from Ruby Kisses, and of course it's linked in the description box, just to go ahead and help the wig to blend with my complexion. Also be sure to add your melt belt. Mine is from BedeckBeauty.com, and this is going to make sure everything melts again together. It's going to get rid of the powderiness and just make it super flawless. Also, here is what the wig looks like as a center part if you're interested in parting. And for the last look, we are going to go ahead and do a half up, half down, which is super simple and easy. We're going to leave the end of the hair or the length of the hair as is because it already has a beautiful wave pattern as you guys seen in the beginning. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for all of my thoughts and just a review on the wig itself.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the.
Okay, watching my girl Peyton, but went ahead and did a half up, half down. What do you guys think of this look? I honestly wanted it to kind of be a low pony, but I'm kind of like squeezing it together and inching it up higher and higher. Oh, that looks really cute. What do you think about this look? I was initially gonna also curl the hair. Okay, scrap it. Let me scoop back. Okay, can you see the hair in full frame? So initially with this one, I wanted to do this beautiful color with no parting, no baby hair, just kind of like straight back, maybe just a little bit swooped over a little bit. You guys kind of see me do that, but then as I finished, I said, okay, let me show you then what the center part looks about like. And I showed you guys a little bit of the parting, and then I was like, let me see what it looks like half up, half down. And I kind of just held it in place back here. Loved it. So I went ahead and just used a little tiny black rubber band to go ahead and make it happen. And then I did a low pony, but as I squeezed it, because it's a little elastic rubber band and I didn't do it too tight, I was able to squeeze it and make it higher, which wasn't my intentions, and I actually like the vibe. It's actually officially my daughter's birthday. It is, yes, 12/18 on September 13th, 2022. So happy 3rd birthday to my youngest baby, Dominic. She is actually 3 today. She's asleep, obviously, so we'll be celebrating all technically today, but tomorrow I still went to sleep, so technically tomorrow. And I think this is the perfect look for the occasion to celebrate. Something a little bit different, but still, you know, family mommy appropriate, and it's easy to maintain. So I already mentioned, but this one did come from Alipearl, and this is the back the way it came in. If I'm not mistaken, this was a FedEx delivery. It may have been DHL, but I think it was FedEx, and it was fast shipping. Inside the bag, along with the wig, there were a couple of goodies. We got the eyelashes, a melt belt, wig band with their logo, wig caps. We also got a blue wig band to go around the edges, which is perfect for me taking my shower and laying my hair. And there's also a blue edge brush, but I dropped it, and it's just gonna take, I'm old, I'm about to be 34 this month. It takes a lot to get them and get back down, so I'm gonna leave it there, but you guys get the picture. Absolutely love, love, love the hairline on this one. It came pre-plucked, and as you guys can see, the knots were bleached. And everything was ready to go, so I was able to melt the lace in for the most part. I did use a glueless adhesive. If you bond it down with liquid glue, it'll suction even more, so that is always an option. And then I went in and just set it with a little bit of a powder similar to my complexion so that it all blended together. And the only step I did not use was my melt belt, and I used one from BedeckBeauty.com, and that's going to help to really lay that lace into the hairline and like literally make my skin and the lace become one and melt even more. So of course you guys already know I'm going to do that off camera, and every time I get in the shower I'll add the melt belt just to make sure that you know, the wig stays in place, especially because I don't have baby hair. I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. Definitely super easy for beginners. Hope you guys loved the color and all of that. Be sure to check out Alipearl. Direct link to this wig is in the description box, as well as listed links of everything we use, including my edge control, which slayed everything and brought it together. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Smooches!